Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about what I ate for breakfast this week. Here I will share 5 easy and quick breakfast recipes which can be made under 10 minutes. Hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So let's begin with this video. So on Monday I had Szechuan masala dosa. For this you need Szechuan chutney, potato sabzi, onions and dosa batter. I'm using about 1/4 of onion and these are potato bites. As I don't have potato sabzi, I'm using these frozen potato bites which equally taste nice, but potato sabzi even tastes better. This is dosa batter. I will take around 2 to 3 tablespoon of this batter and spread evenly as thin as possible so my dosa turns out crispy and nice. Dosas are my favorite and I can have them literally every day. Now I will spread this Szechuan chutney onto my dosa and layer it with chopped onions and these potato bites and cover it for a couple of minutes so these potato bites cook properly and my dosa also turns out crispy. I am sprinkling some spice mix. You can avoid if you don't want your masala dosa to be spicy. Mash these potatoes and your Szechuan masala dosa is ready in 3 to 4 minutes maximum. I will have this with simple coriander chutney. Try this recipe out and this is amazing. You will fall in love with this dosa. So on Tuesday I had oats chila. This is very simple, healthy yet not healthy. So here I am using this masala oats. You can even use plain oats. You can even use rolled oats if you have. That will be the healthiest option. I've taken about 3 tablespoons of these oats. To this I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and I will soak it until I chop my vegetables. I'm using 1 shallot, half tomato and coriander leaves. You can use more vegetables if you want to make it the healthiest. But make sure you add coriander leaves. It makes this chila tasty. My oats are soaked and nice. To this I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of besan. This will help binding my chila and normal turmeric, salt and red chili powder. Here I'm adding in chopped onions and tomatoes and coriander leaves. Heat up a pan. Until then we will make this chila batter. Mix this well and to this add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and make it a semi-thick slurry. Don't make it too runny nor too thick. Put some vegetable oil onto the tawa and spread it evenly as thin as possible. Here I am using iron tawa, so it requires a little bit more oil. If you want to make it healthy, then use a non-stick tawa. But on iron tawa it turns out crispy, so I am using this and I like it this way. And my chila is ready. Same way I will make my second chila. This is a very filling breakfast and you won't feel hungry until lunch. So I'll have green tea with my chila. I'm nor a tea person like milk tea nor a coffee person. So whenever I have oily, greasy, I have green tea just to self pacify myself. that I'm adding some healthy option to my diet. So I had this super crispy chila with ketchup and green tea on Tuesday for breakfast. Moving on to Wednesday. On Wednesday I had bread omelette. This is very basic yet delicious breakfast to have. Here I am taking around half a tablespoon of garlic and herb butter spread and spread it on bread and toast this bread on tawa so the crust of this bread turns crispy and also have flavors of garlic and herbs to it. I don't like to have my eggs with sliced bread. This is authentic Goan pav which is easily available in any of the bakeries here in Goa. So the crust of this bread has turned really crispy and nice. Now I will take them out and onto a same tawa I will break an egg to make a half fry. I like my eggs to be a little spicy, so I am sprinkling some red chili powder and salt to taste. Within 1 to 2 minutes this half fry will be ready. Cook this on low flame. I'm spreading a mayo spread onto the bread. I don't like to have my eggs with ketchup. This egg is ready and my breakfast too within no time. It literally took me less than 5 minutes. Usually I have lemon water in the morning. Today I forgot to have, so I'm having this with my breakfast. So my breakfast for Wednesday is ready. On Thursday I had pancakes. So I was craving for pancakes, so I made pancakes for breakfast for myself and my brother. These are oats banana pancakes. I've already shared a recipe of this on my channel. I will give link of this video in iCard as well as in description box below. Please go check it out and try this recipe and comment below if you liked it or not. So on Thursday I had this super delicious oats banana pancakes. These aren't that healthy, but once in a while having these to curb your cravings is fine. Now moving on to last breakfast, that is breakfast on Friday. So on Friday I woke up late, so decided to have heavy breakfast so I can skip my lunch. To make aloo paneer paratha, I have taken a few boiled potatoes. I have mashed it and to that I have added some finely chopped red onions and I'm grating a few garlic pods. This is homemade paneer. Into a boiling milk add few drops of lime and let it boil until it curdles. Then strain the water and use this as paneer. I like my parathas to be spicy, so I am adding a few green chilies. In masalas I am adding turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur or chaat masala you can add. This is salt and some cumin powder. You can even add coriander leaves. So I'm gonna mash this really well and mix everything up, and it will be filling for the paratha. So to make paratha, here I am taking some whole wheat atta. And I will roll this into a small roti. Now I will fill this with potato filling. I like my parathas to be nicely stuffed, So I add generous amount of potato filling. Once you stuff it, seal it properly. Now I will roll this into a thick paratha. Once I roll it, I'll put it on tawa and start cooking. I am cooking it on medium flame. Here I am using some vegetable oil. You can use any other oil or some ghee as well. This is quite healthy breakfast option if you have it in moderation. I will cook it on both the side until its crust turns a little crispy. And our paratha is done. I like to have my paratha with dahi. I'm sprinkling some red chili powder and roasted cumin powder. So this was my super delicious breakfast on Friday. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and found some really nice breakfast recipes. Please do let me know if you like to see such more videos in future by giving this video a big fat thumbs up. And if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.